Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down, click on your name down here, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on app settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to remove location from media. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me remove location from media disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you are good. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. That's all. Thank you for your watching.